Okay, dear students, we are doing the event study. So to collect the data and go for the calculation, I'm recording this video. You can look here in my browser. I have typed and searched historical price of Nifty 50. Whatever index is given to you, you can go ahead with that one. Okay. For example, let's say the index is given to you as the DAX. Then instead of Nifty 50, you can type as DAX. Okay. Usually we will go for official websites. Here it is Nifty 50. So NSE India is official website. But just to simplify our calculations and all, I am going for this investing.com. Okay. So investing.com I'll click for, so that I will get the page of investing.com like this. Whatever index you are having, we that investing.com will give it. Look here, you are having historical data. It should be daily. Here you are having download option. Here you are having option to select the date. I will choose the date. I will start from 2024. Okay, since I need the data of 1 year, I will select 2024 August. Okay, the same date. Fine. And I'll click apply, so that I got the data. If I click for a download, I will get a CSV file in the Excel. I don't want CSV file because I'm unable to edit. For this reason, I am just going to select this. Okay, the entire data whichever I am having here, I'm going to select it. Okay, so here you can see it has come. All the data, the complete data has come. Okay, so I'm just choosing this data from here. I've chosen the data. I'm copying it. I will paste it in the Excel file. Okay, in the Excel file, I'm just going to paste the data. So here in the Excel file, we are having a price, open, high, low, volume, percentage change. We don't need those all things, so that I am going to select all these unessential aspects. We need only date and price. Okay, I am holding the control button and choosing these columns by clicking left click and right click, delete. So the entire unnecessary columns are deleted. Now I need one more column here. I'll click for insert. The column I need is days. Since we are studying on Trump's reciprocal tariffs, we have chosen 8th July 2025 as a event date. So that event date we are mentioning it as 0. So if it is coming as a date, then right click, format cells, under that number decimals you can make it as 0. So since it is in the date format, it has come like that. Now it is coming properly. So after the event, the days I am considering as +1, then +2. You can you need not to type everything. Instead, you are able to drag. I am holding the shift button up arrow, so that 1 and 2 is selected. Now this is called as fill handler. I am going to drag the fill handler till the dates I am having. So it has come like this. But I don't need all the days. I will tell you what can be done for that. Before the event date, the days which I am having, I will mention it as -1, -2. Again, I will click both of this -1 and -2 by holding a shift and arrow down. I have selected 2, and you are able to drag it down. I need the data till 191 days. Okay, so till 191 days I need the data. So okay, so 191 days only I need. Now, how much data we need? We are going to consider only that one. That is why what I am going to do is, in the days +10 I have, and price from +10 till -191, the informations, I mean the days and the prices I need. I am going to copy that and I am going to paste it to the another slide. Okay, I mean not to the slide, another sheet. Okay, I have copied it in the sheet 2. I am pasting it. Okay, here I am pasting it. This is base. This is prices. After this, we need few of the informations. One column, this one is percentage daily return. Second one, this one is expected return. The third one we need is AAR, average abnormal return, and CAAR. Okay, so these many columns we are going to add. Now, to get percentage daily return, we are using the formula. Here is the formula you can look into. Percentage daily return is nothing but today's price minus yesterday's price. It has to be in the bracket divided by yesterday's price into 100 is the formula. Okay, so this is what the formula we are using. But in the Excel, we are going to type the formula so that our calculation will be simplified. So I am clicking is equal to, this is today's price. It should be inside the bracket. Open the bracket. Today's price minus yesterday's price is day 9. Close the bracket. It has to be divided by yesterday's price into 100. Now I got the daily returns. I am going to drag this by using the fill handler like this till minus 191 days. Okay, so that I get the daily returns for all 191 days. For the 191st date you don't get because we don't have minus 192 dates information. Oh, and it is not required, so that we have kept as it is. Okay, right. Now we are going to calculate expected return. Expected return is constant for all the days. So expected return is nothing but a average of the 180 days prior to the pre-event period. Okay, so what is pre-event period? What is post-event period? You know that day 0 which we have considered, day 0 which we have considered is an event day, plus 1, from plus 1 till plus 10 is post event period. Day 0 is the event date, and from minus 1 till minus 10. Okay, from minus 1 till minus 10 we are considering it as pre-event period. So from pre-event period, after the pre-event period, minus 11, from minus 11 till minus 190 is our expectation period. So we are considering the average of the daily returns. Again, we will go ahead with the formula here. Is equal to type average. Average will come. Then double click or click tab. From 190 days till minus 11, I'm going to select. You can hold the left button and drag it upside so that the data will be selected. Be careful when you're going for it. Till minus 11 only I need. Click enter. You will get the expected return. Now I'm copying this. Remember, this is with the formula, so I'm just copying it. When I come for this expected return, I don't want the formula. Okay, I need only the expected return value. For this reason, I am clicking right click, and under the paste options, click for only the values, so that only values will come. Now I want this as a constant because we are using it for the calculation of AAR. I'm just dragging it down till minus 10. Okay, so all the values has come. Now to calculate AAR, it is very easy. The formula for AAR is daily return minus expected return. Okay, so is equal to, this is daily return minus expected return is here. So I got AAR. Again, I am dragging it down till minus 10 so that I am getting the average abnormal return. So expected return is nothing but a normal return. This is the daily return we got, and The difference will be the abnormal return. Now, what we are doing in our study is we are going to compare this post-event periods returns and the pre-event periods return. Okay. To make it easy, we are going for the calculation of CAAR. So what is CAAR? It is nothing but a cumulative average abnormal return. For example, let's say this is minus 10. If I want to calculate the cumulative of minus 9, I will consider the average abnormal return of minus 10 and I will add with minus 9's average abnormal return. When I go for minus 8, I will add all these 3. When I go for minus 7, I will add all these 4. That is nothing but a cumulative average abnormal return. Since I don't have the previous data and not required, I will copy the minus 10's average abnormal return and I will paste this as the value only because this also has the formula. We can look into this. This also has the formula. I don't want that formula to be applied for this particular cell. When I come for this, it is nothing but this value plus this value, average abnormal return of minus 10 and average abnormal return of minus 9 should be added. So I'll get this. Okay, I will get this. When I come for minus 8, it is average abnormal return of minus 9 plus minus 10 plus minus 9 plus minus 8. So minus 9 and 10 is here. So I'll choose this plus minus 8's average abnormal return. Like this, I am going to drag. Only this one you are going to drag till plus 10. But one thing very important, since we are comparing the pre-event period with post-event period, this is the post-event period, we are calculating the CAR separately for both the periods. For this reason, event date, whatever is there, its CAR we are going to delete. So that we will get the CAR of the post-event period and the pre-event period. So this is what we are going to calculate